Richard Radke here with a review on multiple income funnel with the 4 streams of income plus a bonus income stream and the features that you all get with this funnel. And I also will show you a lot of stuff about it. First of all, if you go in here, you'll see all the links you get with it. A link is attached to a capture page, but you can use one or as many as you want. I use more than one because it depends where I'm sending it to. Then if you go in here and you see all the training that's included with this system, first of all, you get weekly training calls. Then you get marketing system, which helps you market and shows you all the things you can do to improve your marketing. Then if you go back again to the training, it shows you your weekly, your 7 steps. First of all, work on you means work on your personality. Then it shows you how to get traffic, how to do follow-up, how to do YouTube, how to do Facebook, how to block time to do this opportunity. And also, there's a bunch more bonuses in there. Then if you go back into the system again, it shows you all the leads that you get once you start advertising this. Look at all the leads in here. And you get an email with each one of them, and the company also emails them. So you know, with both of you emailing them and giving them more information that the person needs to make a decision to decide if they wants this opportunity. Then you can go to the leaderboard, and it shows you who's all on the leaderboard. Then you got resources, which is follow-up email samples. You can use them or you can use your own, whatever you want. But you should do follow-up because people want more information before they can make a decision whether they want to do this opportunity or not. Then if you click on My Businesses, it shows you all the businesses you have. And if you click on this bonus one I was telling you about, that I also use, you pay $1 a day for 100 leads. So at the end of the month, you have 3,000 leads that you can email every day, which I do, and that's all included with that system. So that's an awfully good deal for that. And it's also an affiliate program. You can even make money if you get somebody else into that. So then if you go back into the system again, I think that's about all the features I want to show you. Now we'll get back to all the steps I was telling you about. Okay, the first step is the system itself, which Matt does a job on showing you how the system works and how you can get signed up. Does a good job, better job than I would do on a 21-minute video. Then you have step 2 and 3, which you can put in whatever opportunities you want. I have 2 in there that are each under $10 a month, and they're very good opportunities. Then you've got step 4, which is a lead system where you get really good leads. They've been in business for over 10 years. So now let's say that you like all those features and you want to get started. You go to step 1. And right now they have a special on. It's usually $97. Right now you can get it for $49 a month. And if somebody joins you under that, you make $20 a month. They also have a yearly plan available, which is $350. And if somebody joins you under that, you make $200. So that's really a good deal. And you do save some money throughout the year. Now, what else was I going to tell you? You know, that pretty well covers it. And what also I'm going to do is put my link underneath the video, which shows you Matt doing this presentation. And it also allows you to join with that. And I'm also going to put additional information, how you can contact me in case you want to ask me more questions. I think that's about all I'm going to tell you for today. So I hope you're all having a good weekend and a great day because it's beautiful weather now. So we should enjoy that.